If you run projects in UK construction and you are tired of agency noise, IR35 grey zones, and hiring models that don't match reality, this is for you. 4,484. That is how many UK construction companies became insolvent in 2025. The highest risk sector in the country for the fourth year running. And the pressure is about to intensify. From April 2026, the Finance Act introduces joint and several liability. If an umbrella company in your supply chain fails on PAYE or national insurance, HMRC recovers the debt from you, the agency, or the end client. The Employment Rights Act is rolling out across 2026 and 2027. A new Fair Work agency will target construction specifically as a high-risk sector for false self-employment and labour supply chain abuse. Meanwhile, the industry needs 266,000 additional workers just to meet current demand. Over a third of the existing workforce will retire within a decade. Construction builds extraordinary things, but the way it hires, engages freelance talent, and manages employment risk is fundamentally broken. So, who is building the alternative? Astrala Nexus and Magnus CQP. Two operating companies, one connected ecosystem, built specifically for UK construction. Astrala Nexus is a construction-native talent platform. It replaces commission-driven recruitment with an open, subscription-based model. Employers subscribe once and get direct access to talent matched on competence, behaviors, and mindset, not just CV keywords and whoever a recruiter can place fastest. For candidates, Astrala offers something the agency world never could. You assess the market privately on your own terms, without being broadcast as on the market, without recruiter noise, and without anyone steering you toward roles that serve their commission. Magnus CQP is the other side of the equation. Magnus is a consultancy to civil engineering and construction. It delivers professional services under clearly defined scopes of work, through time charge and price and deliverables contracts. Instead of supplying day-rate bodies labeled as freelancers, Magnus works under shared risk. Professionals operate as bona fide subcontractors with their own supervision, direction, and control, aligned with professional indemnity cover. For end clients, that means a cleaner IR35 position, reduced SDC risk, and fewer surprises under the Insurance Act. Here is how they work together. Astrala Nexus is where you build your permanent and long-term teams. When you need unexpected or specialist project support, instead of calling an agency, your freelance requirement routes to Magnus and becomes an accountable consultancy scope with shared risk. Together, they form a genuine platform of connection. Not an agency chasing placement fees, not a middleman filtering who you see and when. A hub where the right people, the right roles, and the right project opportunities connect directly. For job seekers, two clean paths. Permanent opportunities through Astrala, matched to your competence and potential, or high-value scopes of work through Magnus, under proper professional contracts. For employers and project leaders, one ecosystem, one route for permanent hiring, one route for accountable project-based support. No blurred lines, no disguised employment, no agency workarounds. The Finance Act, the Employment Rights Act, the Fair Work Agency, joint and several liability. These are not future risks, they are arriving now. The companies that survive will be the ones that got their people strategy right before the regulators came knocking. If you are a construction professional, Take the 3-minute Astrala check today. Sign up for free. See whether you are truly seeing the best opportunities available to you. If you need to hire or you need accountable project support, book a 20-minute discovery call with Astrala Nexus or Magnus CQP. Permanent teams, accountable consultancy, one connected ecosystem built for construction.